and we save it, and we come back, it has turned back to normal because the female we are talking about here, we have not declared it anywhere here. Okay, good. If we now decide to call span here, we now say span. Now, we did not use dot here for this span, and we did not use hash because it is not a class and it is not an ID. We just wrote our what? Our span tag. Okay, good. So now, if by the time we save this and we come back to our browser, it will still have the girl yellow and the background black. Okay, so why it is easy like this is because we have only one span in our code. We have only one span in our code. We are only using span only in one place in our code. Okay, now if we decide to come and use span again in this young man, and we try to say span, and then we'll bring it here and we'll close it after the young, and we save it, you will see that the young also carries the same yellow color and black background. Okay, but in the case where we don't want our young to carry anything, or want our young to have a different color, in that case we have to give them a class so that we can style them separately. Because if we are using the same span, everything that bears span will carry the same design. Okay, so then we have to come here and now say span class, and we now say span class equals to what? Let's say phone. Okay, then we now come inside our styling. Because we are using class, we say dot phone. Okay, then we now say what? Background color should be what? Should be green. Okay, background color should be green, and then color should be black, and then we save it. But then we come back here. Can you see young has carried a different thing? Because what? We have given it his own class so that we can design it separately. Okay, so that is how classes work. That is how you use it to style your elements or your text. Okay, you need to style when you are coding. Okay, so it might not even be for styling alone. You use it to actually call a particular element where you need it. Okay, so it's like a class of people, as I said in the last video, a class of people bearing James. We have 5 people bearing James there. Okay, when you call James, everybody will come out. Okay, when you begin to tell them, okay, you are James Black from today, you are James Yellow, you are James Green, you are James Brown, you are James whatever. So any day you call James Black, you already know who you are calling. So they will answer by the name you are giving them. So that is why we need our own class too. Okay, so that our elements or our tags can answer by that particular name. So do how to practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow. I'll see you in the next video.